In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to do eyeshadow application that's easy to apply for every day. Okay, so first off in this lesson, we're going to start with a little bit of concealer. So looking up for me. I'm using my concealing brush in this application, and I'm actually dabbing it on really lightly. By using a brush, it actually gives you a much better coverage because it allows you to go all the way up to the lash line. The concealer I've chosen here as well is just a little bit lighter than Holly's under eyes. Now always remember to conceal this little dark spot in the corner. Okay. Now I'm going to move on to a primer for the lids of the eyes. I'm going to use the same concealing brush, but I'm just going to turn it around so then I'm using the clean side. And in dabbing motion, I'm using a lemon base concealer. There's a lot of redness on the eyelids here, so I just want to take that away. By using lemon, I'm actually getting rid of it. And as you can see, it's already started and giving me a nice clean canvas to start with. Now that I've finished with the concealing, I'm going to start with a nice light pink eyeshadow. Now this eyeshadow can be any color as long as it is a lighter color. If you choose to go matte, you can. I like adding just a little bit of a glow for daytime, just to make the eyes stand out. Now I'm using a nice flat, soft eyeshadow brush. What this does is it grabs a lot of pigment, and the size of it allows you to actually just pop it over the eyelids. So what you want to do is just apply this on the eyelid. Now opening your eyes. And as you can see, once the eyes are open, we don't want any in this area. So just make sure when you're staring right into the mirror, there's none of this coming up in this area. So just closing again. There we go. So that's the base of my eyes. Then I've chosen a really nice kind of a taupe eyeshadow for my darker color. So in this stage, you can have any color you wish, as long as it's a medium tone, so a light and then a medium. And what I'm going to do is use my little bullet brush, and I'm just going to really lightly apply it along the lash line, just on the top lid, and taking it all the way in. Now by doing this, I'm actually creating an eyeliner effect, but for daytime use, so it's not so harsh. And open your eyes for me. Great. Now I'm just going to use the same brush and looking up, and going to just roll the same color eyeshadow underneath the eyes. By using the bullet brush, and as you can see, I've chosen the small bullet brush because Holly's eyes are a lot smaller. So if you've got bigger eyes, use the bigger bullet brush. And by using this, it actually gives you a really nice, smoky yet natural look with no fine lines. So this is a really nice blended look. Now this is one of my tips for daytime eyeshadow. I love doing this. If you get a really nice gold color shadow, and opening your eyes for me, and just with a nice flat brush that's nice and thin, and just popping it in that little inner section. This will really help make your eyes pop and give you a really nice day glow.